Hi guys, JC here from Mo Lifestyle, and this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The Note 10 Plus has two variants, the 256 and the 512GB. It has a suggested retail price in Metro Manila of 60,990 and 72,990 pesos respectively. You can choose from three different colors, the Aura White, Aura Black, and Aura Glow. This particular model we have here is the 256GB Aura Black Edition. It hits retail on August 23, and let's see what's inside the box. What we have here is the SIM card ejector. Comes in handy when changing your SIM or expanding your storage. A warranty and quick start guide. A casing made from a plastic type of material. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus unit. The power button is now located under the volume rocker. At the bottom, the USB-C connector with a speaker and this S Pen slot and no more headphone jack. At the top, we have the SIM card and micro SD card tray. And of course, the S Pen, which now has a gesture control. The 25-watt power brick super fast charger. This phone also supports the 45 watts but it is sold separately. A tip changing tool and a couple of spare S Pen tips. A USB-C to USB-C cable. An AKG wired earphones. Since Samsung doesn't have a headphone jack, we can connect this using the Note's USB-C port. And lastly, a couple of extra ear tips. So guys, this is the end of the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.